How to change from landscape to portrait mode on PowerPoint. So let's get started. First of all, open the PowerPoint and in the normal view, click the design tab at the top left corner. Now all you have to do is simply select the slide size, then select the custom slide size option available there. Use the buttons in the orientation section to select a vertical orientation or enter dimensions in the width and height fields. Then simply select OK to apply the changes. So that is it. Also, the changes differ from the older version of PowerPoint and the newer version. This is the newer version. So in the older version, you will have to tap on the design tab and select the page setup, and in there you will have to choose portrait mode option available there. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.